Hi, this is Patty D. Priest, and welcome to Educate Academy, brought to you by the Kentucky Academy of Technology Education. Today we're going to look at protecting a range of cells in Google Sheets. So I have selected two columns of cells. I haven't selected the entire columns, but I did that ahead of time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click on it, and I'm going to say I want to protect the range. You can also do this through the Data menu. When you do that, it opens up to the right here, and I'm going to add this sheet range. And since I've already selected it, it's already selected or put in that range of cells. Notice it has form responses at the beginning because I'm on the form responses tab. And then it has the range of cells. Oops. And then it has the range of cells from B through E. I've hidden some columns here and to try to keep some data private. And so it has the exact range that I'm trying to do. So here I'm going to set permissions, and when I do that, it pops this up. And notice that this sheet is already shared with some other people. And so I can close this, I can say I don't want these three people to be able to edit them. I can leave the editing to myself. I have some custom restrictions where I can only put it as me without having to uncheck everybody. And I can also copy permissions from another range if I've already protected some cells in the sheet and I want to use those same permissions. Notice I can also set it so that it only sets a warning when someone tries to edit this range, but most people are going to use the actual restrict who can edit it. So when I say done, I'm going to go here, and I've changed the or saved the settings, and I have opened up a incognito window, which means I'm not logged into it, and I have added or actually accessed this same spreadsheet. And notice when I tried to click in one of the cells that I've restricted, it pops up and tells me I'm trying to edit a protected cell and I need to contact the owner if I really need to edit that. And so I can say okay. If I go over here and I want to edit this cell, I have no problem. But anytime I come over here, I get that error message. And that's what it's supposed to do. When I want to make changes to this, I can go back to data and look at the protected cells. It will bring up that. I can click on it, I can edit it, and make the changes I need. Once it is saved, then those take effect. It's as easy as that. And so if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and have a great day.